Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are active and stable. First, check Riot Vanguard and the VGC service. They authenticate network traffic for Valorant. Once done, restart your router and PC to clear transient IP or NAT issues and switch to wired Ethernet to reduce packet loss. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or third-party firewall is disabled because they commonly block Valorant authentication. If a Windows update is pending, install it now. Network drivers and security patches often fix connection incompatibilities. Next, focus on deeper network and client repairs. Run ipconfig/flushtons and netch-winsock reset to clear corrupted DNS caches and socket settings that block server handshakes. Then open the Riot client, choose Repair to verify game files. Corrupted files often cause connection failures. If issues persist, reinstall Riot Vanguard to restore driver-level network filtering. Finally, check router settings. Enable UPnP or forward the required ports, common UDP/TCP ranges, to prevent any. To finish, validate the environment and gather evidence if the problem remains. Test on a different ISP or tether to a mobile hotspot to see if your ISP is blocking Riot endpoints. This isolates the issue quickly. If it still fails, collect Riot client logs and a short network trace so support can diagnose precise failures. As a final troubleshooting tip, boot with a clean Windows startup or use safe mode networking to rule out third-party software conflicts. If the game works there, re-enable apps one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.